Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to see about that heat transfer by convection method. Okay. So, for understanding this method, we are going to do one activity. Okay. So, for this activity, you take some water in a vessel and heat the vessel on a stove. Okay. Now you touch the surface of the water. What will you observe? It will be cold. Okay. uh, after some time you touch the surface of the water. uh, what will happen? Now it will be hot. So what is the reason? So here, when water is heated, means that water molecules at the bottom, it receive heat energy. It first receive the heat energy and it move upward. Okay. Then the molecules at the top, see the picture, the molecules at the top, it comes down and get heated. So this type of heat transfer is known as convection. Okay. So first, at the first time, that surface of water is cold. After some time, that is after heating some time, if you touch that surface of the water, means it become hot. So due to the heat transfer by this convection method. So in this method, first that water molecules at the bottom, it receive heat energy and it move upward. Then that molecules at the top, it comes down and it get heat energy. Okay. So this type of heat transfer is known as convection method. So convection, it takes place in liquids and gases. Okay. So the form of heat transfer from places of high temperature to places of low temperature by the actual movement of molecules is called convection. So here that molecules are moving, right? So this actual movement of molecules, that heat transfer by high temperature to low temperature by the actual movement of molecules is known as convection. Okay. So the next method is radiation. So this is the third form of heat transfer. So the first one is conduction, second one is convection. So by a conduction method, that heat is transferred through solids. Okay. By convection, that heat is transferred through liquids and gases. So in radiation, that heat, it can be transferred through empty space. Okay. So this type of heat transfer is known as radiation. That is, here that heat can be transferred through empty space. So heat energy from the sun, see the picture, that is heat energy. Heat energy from the sun, it reaches the earth by this form of heat transfer. So if you stand under a sunny day, means in a sunny day, means you can feel very hot, right? This type of transfer is known as radiation. That is, here that heat is transferred through empty space. So this type of heat transfer is known as radiation. So radiation is defined as the way of heat transfer from one place to another in the form of electromagnetic waves. Okay. So this is radiation. So in the next class, we will see about that what is temperature and unit of heat. That and all we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.